Guys, good morning from me. It's Friday, 16th of November, and the markets are moving. We've got on the watch list, which I'm about to show you, plenty of pairs. 14 in total. If we count gold and silver, then that's 15. The two trades that I've taken is CAD sell, that's from yesterday, and then which one was it? Euro NZD buy. There's a lot of things that you're gonna notice in the video I'm about to show you about CAD. It looks really strong. I really think that the Canadian dollar is gonna start gaining some ground. But anyway, let's move into this video. Happy Friday to everyone, and let's make some money. Okie dokie, so we're in the charts. The first pair that we're looking at is Brent oil, which is UK oil. And you can see we have the exact same pattern going on here. This is a 4-hour chart. We've got a bearish pennant, and I really expect prices to start going down today, and for oil to take further losses, and for Brent to go possibly to about 62.40, maybe even less, but that's the idea. That's what we're trading. Like I said to the guys in the room, I've got two trades open. They are WTI sell and Euro NZD buy, and I'm gonna go over all of these pairs. Now, in my morning review, like I said before, I have 14 possible pairs. Well, 15 if we add up gold and silver, but I've added them together. So I'm gonna go over all of them with you guys right now, starting with the first one on the list, which is AUD USD. AUD USD, going over the daily chart. Let's move out all of this stuff here. So AUD USD is a decent pair because there could be a breakout of this trend line here. Maybe not, but we also have a possible double top, and I'm going to show you this on the 4-hour. So I'm not going to be acting on this yet. I'm going to wait and see how it plays out. So there's this possibility of a double top in this area right there. You can see it much better on the daily chart. So AUD USD is something that's cooking for me. I'm waiting to see how price action reacts. We have a major resistance right here, lining up towards our highs. So I'm not going to touch it yet. I think that the dollar could reverse a little today. I'm really not sure, but I'm expecting weakness from the dollar in the near future. So AUD is the first one, and I'm not taking anything. There is a potential breakout. USD CAD. Now USD CAD looks good. Look at this. Let's go over the daily chart. So on the daily chart, we have this blue trend line supporting all of these moves all the way from October, and then we had this little contraction here, and then boom, a breakout, and now we're testing this area here. Now if we go on the 4-hour chart, we have a potential reversal candle. Keep in mind, in 34 minutes the candle will close and a new candle will start. So the first idea that we've got is USD CAD buy, and it looks really good. So I'm gonna mark that down as our first trade idea. Moving over to NZD USD. NZD USD is giving us reasons to go down as well, so you can see that the dollar could be strengthening this morning. You can see this here, resistance right there, price action sticking to this area, and if we go down to the 4-hour chart, we might have, at the end of this, we might have a bearish engulfing. We'll have to wait and see. Euro GBP. Euro GBP looks like a possible reversal. Seems like the pound might gain some ground today and recover some of those losses it made. Let me just find my... Yep. So the pound could recover some losses. You can see here from the closing of the price, we are right at the 23.6 fib retracement. We could now go down. I'm not saying we will, I'm saying we could, and I'm not I'm not putting this in my direct watch list. So it's not going to be in the prime watch list, it's just going to stay in the watch list. Euro CHF. Euro CHF seems to be retesting this level again for the third day in a row. So 1, 2, and 3, and I still expect it to go down because you can see that the buyers can't push price action back into this level. However, they could do something today. Maybe something happens, you don't know. So what I would do is I would wait and get the confirmation on the 4-hour 4-hour chart or the 30-minute chart or the 1-hour chart, just something smaller so we know what we can do. So price action is steadily closing around this level here, and like I said, I do expect it to go down. So I'm going to add Euro CHF into this, into the main watch list, the A+ watch list. CHF JPY is our 6th pair, and we have a potential breakout here. Now we need to confirm the breakout with a break of this level, but I think it's going to work because we came back up here, we tested this level again, this blue level here, and price action is going down again. Now we do need to break this level. Like I said, it should be rather important to break the 112.5. No, what is this level? This level is 112.553, let's say, to confirm the breakout. And even if it breaks out, then we're going down here towards this blue line. Next on the list, CAD JPY. CAD JPY, we had continuation here. We called this out yesterday. People made good money with it. Those three little dots are the three lower lows pattern, 1, 2, 3. This is a prime pattern for me, and I love trading it. And now we're coming to retest the top of the trend line here. And if that works out, then we should see CAD JPY continue its move up. By the way, I'm seeing a lot of positive CAD stuff. A lot of positive indications that the CAD might just gain. Maybe that's something to do with the USD. Maybe it's something to do with oil. I don't know, but it looks like it's gonna gain. Ah, one sec, I messed up. So the next one is CAD JPY. That's going in the list too. So we have a breakout, and we have, let me just show you this. We have a not a potential, but we have an engulfing, a bullish engulfing. Look at that. We've wiped out 1, 2, 3 losses basically. This one wasn't, but it closed pretty low, and that's why I think CAD JPY should be going up. Now moving over to Euro CAD, another CAD pair, you'll see that again the CAD seems to be gaining. You can see that right there, this movement, and it should go down to 148.550. Next on the list is another CAD pair, AUD CAD, and look at this, everywhere I'm just getting CAD. Bearish pin bar, it's the first thing, right there. Then we have support there, then resistance here, and now we're here. So AUD CAD, another potential sell. Then Euro NZD, this is a trade I already have. We took it yesterday down. I'm removing this right to the level. We rode it to the bottom, and we created 3 bottoms in a row, and I've taken it up, and I've got it was in it's in a small profit. It's not moving much. Next, another CAD pair, CAD CHF, and again the CAD showing signs of strength. Bullish flag, we're at the top, we're waiting a breakout. That's, you see, I can't expose myself so much on the CAD, so I'm gonna put it in the A+ list, but I can't take all of these trades. It's gonna be silly. NZD CAD, another CAD pair. So NZD CAD, you can see a reversal candle right there. So we have a green candle, a new high, and we close in the red. It's also well, anyway, it's a nice reversal candle. So we have a nice reversal candle, and I expect price to go down. So CAD strength coming to you now. Going over gold, still expecting gold to continue rising with some minor resistance in this area here between this level and this level, the yellow marked levels, before it before it starts continuing higher. My target for this one is 1250. Silver is also bullish. You can see that it worked out really well if you've been following me. I did call this one out and said that it would go higher. And finally, we go to WTI. Actually, you know what? We've got WTI here. So let's start with the 30-minute chart. The 30-minute chart has created the free lower lows pattern, lower highs pattern. So 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. And now, today there's going to be a move. It's either up or down. I'm basing it that it will be down, but you know what? I can always be wrong. So um, don't take my word for it. Don't take anyone's word for it. The 4-hour chart looks like this. We have the bottom level of the trend line here, the top level of the trend line there, and we also have the DC and EMA acting as resistances. Now you can see that price action is using this level as a resistance. So we really hope now to see a breakout to the downside. On the daily chart, what we have here is a bearish tailed bar right there. Um, you can see that the buyers can't pass this level up here, the 57,285, and today I'm hoping to see a continuation of the selling. If not today, then Monday. But that's pretty much it. That's all I've got for you. All of that in 10 minutes. Anyway, guys, my trading room is live. You can see it here. I release a lot of information here. We even have live TV, and I actually go live and release trade ideas constantly. A lot of people made good money with me yesterday. And my community room just started. We have the signals where nobody can speak. Only I release trade ideas. Here's the only trade idea I released yesterday, and it worked out magically. And then we have the community, which is about to start from Monday, and everyone's welcome to participate. And the community is only for people following my strategy and for people who want to learn from me. It costs $47 a month, and you get the exact same signals, but you also get education and much more. Here, $20 a month, you just get signals. So I left both of them here for everyone. You can just go on my website, which is pipsmatter.com. We're making some big changes to it. We're adding a few new things here, but you can just come here, add your name, add your email, name, and phone number, and click apply, or just come here and click join the community, and it's going to take you right to the community. You can also review here. That's me. We've got a couple of nice promotions going. Well, one of them. And that's pretty much it. But if you want to still continue testing me and stuff, then just come over here and subscribe, put your name and email address and subscribe, and you'll be added to my mailing list where you're going to start getting notifications of all the blog posts I release. That's pretty much it. Happy Friday to everyone. Have a beautiful, beautiful day, and let's enjoy the weekend by seizing Friday. That's it for me. Bye now.